In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link GCash to Lazada. To get started, open your Lazada app. This is the first step in setting up the connection between your GCash and Lazada accounts. Make sure you're logged into your Lazada account, as this ensures that all your preferences and saved items are readily accessible. With the Lazada app open, add items to your cart. You can browse through various categories or search for specific items you wish to purchase. Adding items to your cart is just like placing items in a physical shopping basket. It allows you to review your selections before making a final purchase. Once you're satisfied with your selections, tap Checkout. This action moves you from the browsing phase to the purchasing phase. At this point, you will see a summary of your order, including the items you've selected and their prices. Now, go to Payment Method. This step is crucial because it is where you select how you will pay for your purchase. Having multiple payment options is convenient as it allows you to choose the method that best suits your needs at the moment. Next up, tap View All Methods. This will display all available payment methods that Lazada accepts. It's important to check this list to ensure that GCash is an available option for your purchase. From there, select GCash e-wallet. By choosing GCash, you're opting for a fast and secure way to handle your payment. Using digital wallets like GCash can save you time and provide an added layer of security for your transactions. At this point, tap Confirm. This action locks in your payment choice, ensuring that the transaction proceeds with GCash as the selected method. Now, enter your GCash mobile number. Make sure to input the correct number, as this is essential for verifying your identity and linking your accounts successfully. After entering your mobile number, you will receive a one-time password or OTP sent to your phone. Enter the OTP promptly. This step is critical for security, as it confirms that you have access to the phone number registered with your GCash account. With the OTP verified, enter your GCash MPIN. The MPIN acts like a password, adding another layer of security to your transaction. Ensure that you keep this number confidential to protect your account. Tap Authorize. This action finalizes the linking process, allowing GCash to process your payment. It's reassuring to know that your transaction is being handled securely. Wait for the link successful message. This confirmation lets you know that the linking process is complete and your payment method is now set up. Once you see this message, you can rest assured that your GCash is ready to use on Lazada for future purchases. And that's it. You've successfully linked your GCash to Lazada, making your shopping experience smoother and more efficient. Keep these steps in mind for future reference and enjoy the convenience of seamless transactions. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.